In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Collaborator in Hostinger. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account so you can access the account settings without interruption. This process is fairly quick, but it's important to choose the correct permissions so the other person gets the access they need without affecting anything else on the account. Once you're on the main Hostinger dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that, because this is where Hostinger keeps the account level settings and sharing options. After opening the profile menu, choose Account Sharing. This section is specifically designed to let you manage access to your account services, which is useful if you want someone else, like a teammate, developer, or assistant, to help manage a website or hosting service without handing over your main login details. When the account sharing page opens, switch to the Give Access tab. This is the area where you can invite someone new to collaborate on a specific service connected to your Hostinger account. Next, click the Give Access button. A form will appear, and this is where you'll enter the required information. Fill out the necessary details, including the email address of the person you want to invite and the specific service you want them to access. Take a moment here to double-check that you're selecting the correct service, especially if your account contains more than one website or hosting plan. After that, make sure the role is set to Collaborator. This is the key step, because the assigned role determines what level of access the invited person will receive. Setting it correctly helps ensure they can work on what they need to, while still keeping your main account protected. Once everything looks correct, click Give Access to send the invitation. Hostinger will then process the request, and the collaborator will be able to accept access through the email invitation associated with the address you entered. If you're doing this for a client project or team workflow, it's always a good idea to review the details one last time before submitting, just to avoid granting access to the wrong service or person. And that's it. That's how to add a collaborator in Hostinger quickly and safely.